So it's been 7 whole weeks since the flood incident. This is the current situation of our house for the next 2 days while they get the walls patched up. So in preparation for our eventual move to Spain, we started working with a tutor to expedite the learning process. 2 days later, we're moving our stuff back into place. It took so long for the walls to be patched up to the point where I almost forgot what the place used to look like. Unfortunately, this won't be the last time we have to do this because the floors have to be done as well. Apparently, we're going to have to fully move out when the floors are being replaced. It really sucks since we've only been here since January, and I feel like all we've been doing all year is rearrange our place over and over again. Because of the flood, we also haven't been able to continue our home renos, so we've been living in our condo for almost a year now, and it still doesn't feel like home.
It's Friday, we're watching the Oxford year, and we're having a bit of pizza. And we just smoked weed.
Another day means another Orange Theory workout. Today is leg day.
I'm gonna get it. Oh yeah.
I really don't know how to feel about the fact that he's a huge fan of Shania Twain.
Shania Twain.
We're back at the well for some sweet treats.
Cheers! Hi everybody, we're at Rogers Stadium. This is Tasha's vlog. We're going to Chris Brown Breezy Bowl 2025. Let's go! Let's go Breezy Bowl!
Hello, Tasha's vlog.
In the floor not. We're on the floor. It's Chrissy Brown and
He's Chris Brown. I'm missing forever with him. Yeah, it is going to be a beautiful night. I know. My braids don't match my accent, but it is what it is.
Just see who got the most. Hold on. Let your cell phone light down. We about to play Simon Says. I'm going to have each section light it up. Hold on. Y'all better get some more lights down here. Y'all better get some more lights down here. Hold on. That shit looks so crazy. Let's get ready for Breezy!
One of the most Chris Brown is a name of the Chris Brown.
So, haven't been vlogging very much. It's my day off today. It's Thursday. I am with Ginny playing fetch. She's taking a little break because it's hot outside. It's been very overwhelming with all the editing and life and work and just being tired as well. Last night was fun. We got to see Chris Brown again for the second time. We saw him last year. This concert, in my opinion, was definitely a little bit better for me because I was mostly following him when I was in junior high and ultimate high school. We did a lot of performances to his songs. It was his 20th anniversary and he did basically a medley of a lot of his hit songs over the past 20 years. So that was great, just like little snippets of everything. It was cool and also very random to see him just flying off the stage. I don't really know why he decided to do that. It kind of felt random because out of nowhere he would just like fly. Like they just projected him in the air and then he went upside down and then he just went back down. Like that was about it. We were on the floor and it was kind of annoying because everyone was just like rushing to the stage and there were even people that were not supposed to be there. That in itself kind of ruined the experience a little bit. And then of course everyone was standing on chairs. Security was trying to control them, but there were so many people doing it, like they couldn't really control it. So I would just have to keep like just peeking over people that were shorter than me. We were close enough, but we were so off to the side, and there was a whole moment where he was in the center of the stage and we couldn't see. Honestly, I would blame it on the shitty temporary stadium that was built, and apparently Toronto's going to be using it for the next 5 summers, which is a long time. I really hope no one else that I really like will have a concert there, because I don't want to go back. I probably won't go back, to be honest. Unless NSYNC decided that they want to perform there, that's probably the only time I'll make an exception. But it's just as bad as people told me. To be honest, I was hoping that people were exaggerating, but no, it sucked. I do have to go to work for just one client who missed his appointment yesterday due to food poisoning, and I feel bad because he's going on a trip tomorrow. So I thought, yeah, I guess I'll just show up for just the one client.
So our next pair is going to be a 1-minute push into a 75-second phase.
We're going to the well to get an acai bowl because I'm craving something sweet.
So in Spanish, a lot of people confuse I with tener, like to have versus their things.
Yeah.
And back arm goes straight up. Keep both your hands in that neutral position. For your first 3-minute block, good.
So I got a new toothbrush. The brand is SURI. Let's unbox it. I got it in midnight black just to try and match everything that I have at home already. It's supposed to be sustainable, recyclable, etc. Let's see. So when we were looking for new toothbrushes, because our old one broke, we were looking for something that was stylish and affordable, something that made sense. There were some other ones that were like, I can't open it. I'm not good at unboxing. They're $700 for their AI capabilities, which we don't really need. For the sake of having something that's good for traveling, this is a good sustainable one. A bunch of dentists like it. I'm assuming everything is made with recyclable products because our habits can change the world.
All packaging is recyclable or reusable. Some ideas for reusing: our main box includes a pen holder, table catch-all, a recipe box, and more.
So it's saying to use this for other things. Okay, so the sustainable sonic toothbrush, so what is this called? The brush head thing. Okay, let's just open this. What else? Oh, lift me. Okay, I guess this is the toothbrush. Okay, but why isn't it black? It's cute. See, it's kind of big for traveling though, but charging port is right here. And then so you open it like that. I gotta get better at this unboxing. It's pretty cute. So relative to the size of the case, it's kind of a pretty big contrast, but I'm assuming it's because it's, you know what? It has like LED lights. So it sanitizes when it's closed. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. There's like a few different modes, but then you can only press it with this one button instead of like the traditional electric toothbrushes where they tell you what setting it's on. So it's more like a sleek design. For someone that wants like more information, this is definitely not the toothbrush for you. But for someone that's just like, you know, just fucking brushing your teeth like normally, I think this is more than good enough. So I guess it just comes with one.
This wrapper is home compostable. Please dispose of me and I will biodegrade naturally. Mirror mount. Good habit stick. Remove backing and place on your mirror.
This is one of the reasons why a lot of people like having this, I guess. At least this one dentist was saying that he likes that it's like a reminder to brush his teeth because it's like here, I guess. I realize a dentist would need a reminder to brush their teeth, but oh, yeah, it's not wobbly, so that's good. But like, why didn't you just make all of them black? Ta-da! Tongue scraper in the back. That's what it looks like. And let's put it on. It's a very satisfying click. I guess I just have to figure out what modes is what, but cool. Ta-da! And it looks like a little coffin. USB-C. This is for the USB-C for the case. This one, charge your brush 4 hours before first used. That. Okay. I thought it just, okay. I charge it. See you later. Bear steak. So we got the original steak. This is what it looks like. It looks really good. It's expensive. This is $18.
What do you think of it?
It's so good. What's in it? It's just steak, I guess, right? What kind of bread is this? I don't know. This is like a white roll. Yeah. It's simple. I think they have their, like, I think they sell this. Looks like a chimichurri. Is that what that is? But I like how rare they cook the steak. The carvery. This is called a bacon senga. S-E. What is a senga? This is so good. Yeah. It's sweet. It's sweet and cheesy and eggy and everything. This is the best. Bye.
So I'm also
That's so good.